Alright, so I got one installed already. This here on the right hand side is actually just a standard H11 halogen bulb. Then we're going to move over to the left hand side where the AISKITS LED is installed. Definitely can see a difference here between the two. Alrighty, it is 4:18 in the morning. Pretty much the only one on the road. And these are the AISKIT LED headlamps in operation. And I usually have a hard time seeing at night, and it's kind of hard to see in this video, but these lights actually do light the road pretty well. They're about just like having a xenon HID headlamp. It's a really crisp white light, 6,000 Kelvin color temperature. A lot better light output than the halogens that I just put in. They were Sylvanias, the Silver Stars, and they've only been in the car for about a week or so. But these are superior. I'm not really sure of the lumen output. And I haven't really seen any kind of issue with stepping down or cycling due to heat. Especially because of the fact that they do have those turbofans and those aluminum heat sinks. But from the installation, I did have one of the LEDs on just to make it easier to see, and they do get really, really, really hot. So these are just the low beams. The high beams are still another bulb on this car. And the fog lights, of course, are a different bulb as well. So that's pretty much my first look at the AISKITS LED headlamps. So far, I'm pretty impressed, actually. Much better down road visibility, especially on dark roads. And overall, I'm very, very impressed.